right, so we are going to finish up our notes that we did not finish yesterday because I misread the schedule here. So we have example number 5. So we have 2 times 2e minus 4 in parentheses minus 3 parentheses e plus 2 close is less than negative 9. So you guys have already demonstrated that you're pretty comfortable with this prior to the notes through the opener today, but we're going to go ahead and finish these off, these last 2 examples, because you can use your notes on your quiz and test, so I want to make sure you guys have good notes. Okay, so I circled my variable, I drew my line. My next step, according to my note sheet, says to distribute if I can. Dylan, can I distribute?
2 times.
2 times, not once, not. So we're going to distribute 2 times here. Okay, go ahead and do that for me. Oh, sorry.
4e minus -8 minus negative 3e plus
The negative times a positive is a minus, and then 3 times 2.
6.
All right. So after you distribute, what's the next step, Maddie? Okay. What are your like terms up here?
4 and 3.
How about take that sign in front of the 3? And what are my other like terms?
8 and 6.
And negative 8. Okay, go ahead and combine your like terms for me.
Negative 1e.
How about 4 minus 3 is just straight up?
What?
4 minus 3 is just, yeah, not negative. So 1e.
Oh, sorry. I'm thinking of like 3.
Just flipped him. Okay, and then what's negative 8 minus 6?
Negative 14.
Negative 14 is less than negative 9. Okay, then what's the next step I'm going to do here? Yeah, I'm going to plus 14. Both sides, that's right. So 1e is going to equal what? Or excuse me, not 1e is going to equal 1e is less than. Okay. Now, there's 2 ways that I can get this e by itself. Because the e or the 1 is not positive, what's the quick and easy way to get rid of it?
The 1 is positive.
Because it is positive and not a negative, excuse me, I don't have to worry about transitioning or moving that negative sign at all. So what can I do to get the e by itself? I can divide by 1, or if I divide by 1, am I still going to get 5?
Yes. Yeah.
So could I just maybe get rid of it because it's just a 1e? Yeah. So we can just get rid of it, and it's going to be e is still less than 5. That's the same thing as if I would divide. So if I had this, and I went ahead and divided each side by 1, I end up with the exact same answer, right? So you can really, in that circumstance, just drop the 1. Now, if it was a negative, could I do that? No. If it was a negative, that would change my positive answer of 5 to a... And not only that, would it change my answer to a negative, but what would I have to do with my inequality sign? Flip it. Okay. Open or closed? Left or right?
What? Is that the game?
Yeah. Part of it.
If we choose, can it work for ourselves?
Yeah. Okay. Last example. Does everyone have this one down?
Yeah.
This is like 456.
Huh?
That fits at 456.
456. Wait, what?
It's not there anymore, but there's a lot.
Oh, I numbered my line 456. Like 456. Where did that come from? Last example. I'm not going to lie. This last example is going to be the most difficult one. Who thinks they've got it? All right, Ben.
Circle the variable, draw the equality line. Distribute the 2 with free g in positive 10.
Okay.
You get 6g in a positive 20. Plus 14g is greater than 150.
Doing good so far.
Divided by terms, which is 6g in
Okay?
So 20G is greater than 130. Divide those by 20. And G is greater than.
There it is. Josh?
Just keep it.
But you wouldn't want to keep it the same because it's not simplified. So why Ben's looking at me funny is because it does not work out evenly. So if it comes out as a decimal, what do I want to do? Simplify it. So 130 over 20, easiest way to simplify it. If they both end with zeros, what can we do? Yeah, just knock that 0 off, right? So now we have 13 over 2. Can I simplify that? No, so I can leave that as just 13 over 2, right?
I was partially correct.
And box it. So I'm going to graph this here. Now, if I graph this, I'm just going to go ahead and put 13 over 2. Is it going to be open or closed?
Open.
And right or left?
Right.
Well, one way to simplify.
And there it is. Nice job.